Motivation Power, Training Guide, Chapter 4, Finding a Motivation Source that will work for you. To really boost your motivation levels, it is important to have a source of motivation you can draw upon. Imagine having a motivational box that you can just dip into whenever you need it. This box contains special things that you know will give you a motivational boost when you dip inside it. Your motivation box needs to include some powerful things. Do you remember in the first chapter we talked about the 3 sources of motivation? Well, these will not help you because they are already in existence. If you have already achieved your goals using these 3 sources, then you don't need an additional motivational source. The likelihood is that you do need this additional source to draw motivation from. The things contained within the box are going to help you to get started, or get back on track, and help to maintain high levels of motivation. The best way to know what to put in your motivational box is to really understand what drives you and what you desire. Here are some great ideas to the contents of your motivational box. Write your biography. If you were to die tomorrow, what would the world know about your life? Well, they would know a lot more if you had a biography of at least 1,000 words. This is not something that you want to write quickly, as you need to take your time and think about it. Usually when we take the time to write about ourselves, it reveals certain truths about us we were perhaps not aware of before. Meditation. A lot of people scoff at the idea of meditation, but it is actually a great way to get to know yourself and leave all your preconceived notions to one side. In essence, meditation is just a small period of time in which you are quiet and still. When you are really searching for what you want in your life, you need quiet. Your subconscious mind will provide you with the answers, but if you're not quiet, you will not hear them. Add meditation to your motivational box so you can take a deep dive into your core. What is unique about you? Take the time to think about what is unique about you and write this down. This will probably help you to understand what you really want from your life. Identifying what is truly unique about you provides you with the opportunity to see what you can offer the world. Create a strong why statement. A good why statement provides the reason, or reasons, for you setting and accomplishing your goals. This needs to contain a lot of emotion so that it will really drive you every day to keep going and take those small steps necessary to achieve your goals. We recommend that you dip into your motivational box every day and read your why statement. Make a list of your desires. It should be really fun and exciting for you to write a list of your desires. To write your list, just think about the things in life that you really love. Ask yourself what makes you happy. Also ask yourself what makes you excited. It doesn't matter what these things are, just write them down. Your billionaire wish list. If you had $1 billion in the bank, what would you do with it? You would never have to worry about making money again by going to work or running a business, so what would you do? Really think hard about this and experience the feelings of being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want. Maybe you want a brand new luxury car? Think about how this will make you feel. Keep thinking about all of the things that you will do with your $1 billion. For each of these things, note the feelings that you experience when you think about them. Who do you admire? Think about 5 people in the world that you truly admire. Write their names down on a list and also add the reasons why you admire them. What qualities do they possess? When you do this, it can be a great way to identify the qualities that you need to possess to live the life that you really want. Your achievements list. Write a list of your achievements. These are things that you have already achieved. This is a very good way of motivating yourself in the future. Be sure to write down the challenges that you had to overcome to accomplish these achievements. It doesn't matter how easy or difficult these challenges were. Just the fact that you overcame these challenges will help to drive your motivation levels. Your judgment-free list. Many people cannot find the right levels of motivation to achieve something because they are fearful that they will be judged by others. So here, write a list of things that you want to achieve knowing that you will not be judged. Just go wild here and remember that you are not going to be judged, so it doesn't matter what you do. This kind of list can be very motivating. Your no limits list. How many things would you do if you had no limits? If you feel that you have a limit which will stop you achieving a specific goal, then you will not have the motivation to follow through on this. If you have always wanted to be a famous singer, for example, but you do not have the vocal talents to do this, just remove that limit and add it to your list. Think about other things that you've always wanted to do but felt that limitations would prevent you from achieving them. Limits can always be removed or overcome, and this list should really inspire and motivate you. In the next chapter, you are going to learn some great tactics to increase your motivation levels.